How to become a machine learning engineer. The primary issue for machine learning is the steep learning curve. When it comes to machine learning, the prospect of coding is a massive hurdle to get over. 1. Build a portfolio. Start with learning your program of choice. The more work you have on file, the better you will look to employers. 2. Develop a personal project. Find something that you like and devise a plan to implement AI into said idea. 3. Practice getting proper data. The major tenets for good data that you want to follow are accuracy, completeness, reliability, relevance, and timeliness. Don't feel like having bad data is a bad thing. 4. Apply to machine learning jobs. Try doing freelance work or more independent projects while searching for a job to extend that portfolio. Thank you for watching.